In this video, we're going to learn how to get the square of a matrix. So find A squared if A is given by 1, 2, 5, 6. So A squared just means you take A times A. So in this case, we're just going to take the matrix A and multiply it by itself. So we're going to have AA is going to be 1, 2, 5, 6 times 1, 2, 5, 6. So let us perform this multiplication. So we're going to have 1 times 1 plus 2 times 5. Then for the second column, we're going to have 1 times 2 plus 2 times 6. Then we're going to have 5 times 1 plus 6 times 5. Then the next column, we're going to have 5 times 2 plus 6 times 6. So that is a matrix. So it means we have 1 plus 10, then you have 2 plus 12, then here we have 5 plus 30, then here we have 10 plus 36. So this is going to be 11, this is 14, this is 35, and this is 46. So that is what we get for A squared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.